In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a new site to your existing WordPress.com account. Whether you're expanding your online presence or taking your very first steps into website management, this process is straightforward. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to launch your next WordPress site. Start by opening your web browser and going to WordPress.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the home page, which might feature themes or blog posts, but for now, focus on the login button in the top right corner. Click it to move to the next step. WordPress offers several ways to access your account, but today we'll keep it simple by choosing Continue with Google. This method is convenient if you already use Google services, saving you time while keeping everything integrated. After clicking it, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. If you have more than one, make sure to select the one linked to your current WordPress account. If you're already signed in, WordPress will take you straight to your dashboard. Once you're in your dashboard, look at the top left corner for the WordPress icon. Clicking it reveals a drop-down menu with several site options. From here, select Add New Site. This feature walks you through the process of setting up a new site with minimal hassle. After clicking, you'll see two choices: migrate an existing site or create a new one from scratch. If you're starting fresh, simply choose the New Site option. If you already have content elsewhere, migrating or importing can save time and bring your previous work along seamlessly. Once you've made your choice, select the WordPress.com option to continue. From here, you can pick a name for your new site, customize its appearance with themes, and get everything set up for launch. WordPress provides helpful prompts and tips throughout, making it easy to follow along even if this is your first time. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a new site to your WordPress.com account. It's a simple process that opens the door to sharing new ideas and growing your online presence. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Happy website building!